Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Squad Busters game on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to install the Squad Busters game on your PC, you will need to have an Android emulator. Open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bluestacks.com and press enter. From the BlueStacks website, just click on the download button to download the BlueStacks emulator, and once it is downloaded, just open up the installer and click through the next buttons to install the BlueStacks app player on your device. Once you open up the BlueStacks app player, you will gain access to your Android home screen. Now from this page, click on System Apps and then open up the Play Store. Now from the Play Store, log into your account using your Google ID and then tap on the search box and then type in Squad Busters and start your search. Once you find the game from the search results, you can simply tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of the Squad Busters game on your device. After the installation is completed, you will find a shortcut that will be created on your desktop from which you can directly launch the Squad Busters game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Squad Busters game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.